There are over 600 geoglyphs that have been identified along the Colorado River from Nevada to northern Mexico. I tried to see which ones I could find using Google Maps, but that only yielded a few results, and those locations were just too far for me to travel in the short amount of time that I have off. Trying to find information on these locations is not easy to come by, but my persistent research paid off. Join me as we make the journey to find one of the many geoglyphs that we have discovered in the Anza-Borrego Desert. From where I parked, I knew this was going to be a short hike, and from what I could see on Google Maps, it should be on the side of a hill, so I began to film immediately, thinking that we would run right into it.
Do we see anything? I don't know why, but I have a strange feeling that it might be right there. Let's go take a look. Oh, don't see anything just yet. Let's see here. Thought I saw some interesting rocks that looked like I might have been it. Don't see anything. Well, I guess we'll keep on trekking. Maybe it's over there. Okay, so my GPS was not keeping up with me for some odd reason. So apparently we've had to backtrack a little bit. So let's see if we can see it this time. Somehow we passed it. Still not seeing anything. It says it's supposed to be over here to our left. I'm still not seeing it. Huh. All right, well, we'll keep trekking. Well, we have come to where it shows it on Google Maps, but there's nothing here. And literally, as I'm looking at Google Maps, it should be literally right here in front of me, but it's not. So we're gonna send up the drone and see if we can spot it with the drone. So we took the drone up, and as we took the drone up, in, like I said, literally, it says it's supposed to be right here on Google Maps. As a matter of fact, it even shows this ridge line right here on Google Maps, and then it shows it right here. But apparently it's on the very top right here. So immediately once I took the drone up, immediately saw it. So we're gonna go through here and we'll get up to the top and show you what it looks like. And here we are. So as you can see, this geoglyph is a pinwheel, and as you can see, there are different sections, different areas. So as you can see, that section is not as large as this section, but these ones over here are about the same. It's supposed to be basically like a calendar of the winter solstice, summer solstice, but all of these lines that you see here are supposed to line up with those natural occurring events of the winter and summer solstice. She is a beauty, and we'll take you to some drone footage now.
Wilma Mankiller once said, "The secret of our success is that we never, never give up." Today was a success. We never gave up on our research to find this site. We never gave up on looking for this site once we got here, and both challenges were a success. We hope that you enjoyed the journey with us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.